Suncor right now trading at 59.37. 59.40 is the area we want to blow through. And coming up on the 2:30 hour, maybe the 25-minute bar, the new one, that might take us into that area. Suncor is a high of 59.54, so not too far away. 59.40 is the second 40. All systems are going in this stock right now. We wouldn't need the support of the S&P today because it's an oil stock, and sometimes they run counter, and that still gives us a green light to go with the oils, even if the rod market's not kicking it. So we're real close to an update, to a trade on this Suncor SU. We'll let you know if we get an entry, and then we'll tag along with the price, the action, the reaction of me, and we'll see how this trade can go today for Razor Imports. We had a nice trade the other day for a late in the trade day on Target. So let's try to replicate that today, except make a bit more money. This thing's got a long way to run still if we can get it going. So Suncor's the trade. It's 222. As soon as we get entry or otherwise, I'll be back to update. Welcome back to Razor Imports. I'm Jeff Wright. We did get a fill. What an odd fill it was. We filled 900 shares at between 59.59 and 59.63. I basically bid up the shares. You should have seen the way they fell into place. 100 here, 100 there, and the price kept going up a point. Nonetheless, it's 59.63 right now. We're at 2:59 and 21 seconds. Patience might have been the better availer at this one, waiting till 3 o'clock to get that first 5-minute move of the period. But nonetheless, we made a 25-minute bar high. We already had a 22-minute bar high. And we confirmed the 20-cent move for a 15-minute period. So we're almost at 3 o'clock. It's 2:59 and 40 seconds. Right after that is when I want to see tick high. We're right now at 59.64. That's the high I need to get above. So we're watching for that. And my screen looks a little frozen. It's 3 o'clock. We need 65. Here we go. First minute. Well, at least we got an equal to. 63 is the last. At least we got an equal to for the first minute. Let's hope we blow open here right from the start. Trades that go become profitable right from the beginning are definitely the ones that are worth keeping. We'll let you know on how the next few moves go. It's 3 o'clock. We've been in the trade for a minute and a half, and we're about dead even or a point or two up. Let's keep a strict eye on this. We won't let it go much more than 10 cents below here. I want to see pops, and I want to see them soon. There's the 63.64. I believe we got up to 65, which was a confirmation for this 15-minute period. But we're dead slow sitting. I mean, literally 3 or 4 cent moves. Not even that many since we entered the trade. Of course, it's only been 2 minutes, so let's look for that number to pop higher very quickly. It's 3:01, almost 3:02. We need some movement. We need it quick. Let's see if we can get it. Even while we sit here, bid offers 63.64. We need to move. Let's see if we get any movement. I keep saying that, but we need it. I'll be back soon. This is the bars. We need to keep moving. This is a 1-minute bar. The time is 3 o'clock. And we need this thing to stretch. There it is. Stretch above those, top of those lines. It's 59.64 now. 3:05. There's a little bit of a stretch to 65. Sometimes a stretch is a reason to sell it or buy it. So let's see what happens right here. We need that thing to go higher. Let's see what happens. That's the 65 we just saw. Let's see what time it is. It's 3:05, 3:06. Okay, this is the second bar in the 5-minute graphs that gets a chance to kick off. Let's take a look at those. These are a good time to kick off. And see that second bar that's the one that's just starting. It's the second 5-minute bar of the 15-minute block. As you can see, that middle bar was there. And the ends of it were real good. Let's see if we can get that middle bar to be a catalyst for us. We don't want to get below 60 because if we do, we need to get back up in a hurry. So we're going to go ahead and just hope for that to go up. Again, keeping a very tight stop. It has yet to go more than 1 cent against us at 59.60. You can see the 59.60 is that bottom line. And we've yet to get below it, but we need to start cranking above it. That's the story. We have been in a 3 cent range. We're at the top of it, but my goodness. time is now 3:12. I've been in this trade 14 minutes. Yet to be out of the money once, but man, we are barely in the money, and I need movement. This time of the day should bring our pop. Patience is running thin. I could see that the bid and the ask, in case I reference this, has been heavy on the offer, quiet on the bid. It's been eating at that offer for about 10 minutes now. The ask has been just dominating the volume-wise. Man, we are in a range, man, and I really like the rebound effect. We're down and up, but we don't have a down to go up off of, so we're just hoping for a break up. And at 3:13, I'm watching some kids here. You might have heard some screaming at the bus. So we're patient, but for a limit. We'll be back when something happens. Either I get out or this thing moves, goes against me, something. 3:19. The story stays the same. Here's the difference. 3:30, obviously, this is going to be gone if we can't get a 20-cent move in a 15-minute period. But we are approaching the 3:20 area, which gives us a new 25-minute bar high, which we're going to need in 30 seconds. If I don't get that in the first 5 minutes, need that high, and at 3:22 I get another one. So hopefully in the next 4 minutes this thing pops big, and we're sitting it out. I hate to sit one out when I get so few, but at 69.65 the offer's just getting outsized like crazy. I don't like this. Alright, it got out. It just got below my price for a few cents. That's all. I'm going to get back in if it gets above 66. 57, I got out at 58 or so. So let's keep an eye on this thing, and if we get some movement back up, the timing's alright. It's just that didn't want to do it for me, so let's see what happens. I am out though, officially. My 900 shares, that shows 500, but the rest of them got out, as you can see by my positions. You see that? Anyways, there's none there. And the executions. Sold. 58. I got in at 61, 62. I don't mind taking more of a loss than that, but this thing just wasn't getting it done. Still not getting it done, and we're running out of time. It is now 3:30, almost 3:30 and a half, and you can see why I got out of SU. That's right, 59.35. We got out at 59.58, sold them all, and things started collapsing right away. Let's see. Woo! It's a good time to get out. That second bar, halfway through that second down bar, right about bottom of your screen. Now he's going down. We're out for the day. We'll be back. That's the trade for SU. Wasn't a winner today, but they're not all winners. You just cut those losses, pile up the winners when you get them, and that'll put you in good shape. This is Jeff Wright, RazorImports.com.